for you.
All right, lad.
How come they're getting all that stuff?
They've lost everything. They've left a war zone.
She's taking your photo there.
You better delete that photo.
They're just kids, man. Let them get in their house and get settled, man. I'm really sorry that happened. Can I say I'm surprised if you hear the stuff that come out within the pub.
This has become a dumping ground, lads.
We've been in this village all our lives, and we're supposed to share it with that lot who don't even know them.
Thank you for your kindness when we arrived. I really appreciate it. My name is Yara, by the way. What's yours?
Tommy Joe Ballantyne. Do you mind me asking? Are you all right?
When I was a little girl, I wanted to be a photographer and travel the world.
If you've got a moment and you'll come back to the pub with me, I wanted to show you the photographs in here. The whole way of life, just gone forever.
When you eat together, you stick together.
My mother always said that.
Some of the locals are struggling too.
Everywhere's closed. Even the school's gone. We can't even look after our own.
Just going from bad to worse, isn't it?
Imagine if all the families mix and start to eat together. If you eat together, you stick together.
Go on, go on.
The village, the old oak. We need this.
It's like a bloody refugee camp.
And watch your mouth, pal. It's not charity. This is solidarity. This is about we do something together.
It takes strength to build something new. It takes strength to build something beautiful. Shukran. Do you know what shukran means? It means thank you.
Shukran.
Shukran.